Good morning, doctor. My name is Gabrieliando, and then I will talk to you about the functions of the prosecutor. Criminal procedure is that it meant the express recognition of the role that the policial constitution of the Peru confers on the public ministry, prosecutor office of the nation as driver of the investigation of the crime and holder of the criminal actions. In this context, the first great challenge for the public ministry is to strengthen for a proper management and obtain results in the investigation of crime, for which it must closely coordinate with the national police. But the functions of the prosecutor itself are a plan, a strategy according to the case. For this prosecutor, design the actions that lead him to achieve his objectives using a methodology that allows him to have an order and obtain results with efficiency and effective actions. Respect and warrant respect for the rights and prosecutor, one rights of the victim and the accused. The prosecutor investigates the fact and collects evidence and exculpatory elements thus that can mitigate a responsibility or punishment. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Jose Rivera, and this time I'm going to talk about the civil lawyer. The lawyer, especially in civil law, works at a legal level with the personal, family, and professional relationships and obligations of citizens. A civil lawyer can act through the courts with the filing and answering of lawsuits and the filing of papers against judgments of the civil jurisdiction, among others. It also acts extrajudicially, mainly providing legal advice to its clients, drafting contracts and private agreements, or filing claims. The extrajudicial service carried out by civil lawyers are characterized by not going through the civil courts and tribunal. Such services are provided directly by the civil attorney to his client without the need for third parties in most cases. In general, a civil lawyer is dedicated to the following matters: license of habitual residence and commercial permits, obligations and contracts, accidents, compensations and claims, separation and divorce, unmarried couples, and food pensions, among other things.
Good evening, teacher. My name is Juliana Sarmiento Prado. Today I will tell you about the function of the criminal lawyer. One of the functions of criminal lawyer is to enforce the laws and mandates which are set, and the criminal lawyer is a lawyer who has a specialist in criminal law. Dean Snow an analysis of fact that situations that might constitute crime and might lead a person to log in the wrong. Least who remember that being a criminal lawyer is especially where the focus will be on the environment on the start. The criminal lawyer develops has function, and response before before a criminal counter has tribunal process against a person, company of organism after the commission and the criminal lawyer. The conclude we said that the criminal lawyer will protect the fundamental rights of the patron so that he does not lose his freedom for submitting unfair. Otherwise, the freedom of the part according to the magnitude of a criminal comedy. That word be all from my teacher. A good evening.
Good evening, teacher. I'm Christian Kayata. Today I'm going to talk to you about the work of the lawyer specialist in commercial law. Now, a lawyer specialist in commercial law has responsibilities, power, and extensive knowledge in everything related to companies. This means that they are required to assist with business transactions and ensure that deals and agreements are valid and legal. Many of these functions revolve around drafting contracts and analyzing the terms of the agreements. Many companies call in of having to dissolve, debate, and reach agreements that are only possible to resolve through a lawyer with this specialization. Business lawyers are those who deal with commercial and business legal matters. They help a lot with transaction, documentation, and paperwork, but they can also help with other company matters that require motions, actions, and court issues. When hiring a business attorney, the person is usually a business owner or manager. These legal professionals are versed in transactions, financial matters, economics, and legal disputes, litigation, and various other topics. They typically have extensive experience in contract drafting, company mergers and acquisitions, employee agreements, negotiations, and similar matters. As with other attorneys, some work through a law firm, others are hired exclusively through one company and serve the needs of that corporation specifically. These legal professionals have a law degree and have passed the bar exam with all the rights and duties of other legal representatives. In summary, business law lawyers are those who deal with commercial and business law legal matters. They help a lot with transactions, documentations, and paperwork, but they can also help with other company matters that require motions, actions, and court issues. Thank you, teacher. It's all.